Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. We are doing our second video of my November's hair series. So every Monday in November I'm throwing out a hair video. I just did my DIY foil your own hair last Monday, so make sure you check out that video. I'll link it up above. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you guys like hair videos, because I'm all about them, and I'll totally do some like no heat styles or kind of keep the trend going if that's something that you guys would like. Today's video we are doing just a face framing, do-it-yourself face framing trim. And what you'll need is a comb, a pair of scissors, and optional is a clip. What I like to do is, if you are scared that you're gonna take too much hair, you just know where you part and then take maybe about an inch of hair. And that's why if you're scared you're gonna go a little crazy, just grab the clip. So I'll grab a clip just to show you. And then I'll do an inch this way. And I'm still debating doing straight across bangs, and that might be in one of the hair videos this month. Leave a comment down below if you guys think I should, or if that would be just a horrible idea. I'm kind of digging this clip thing. Actually, I don't know if I like it. No, I don't like it. But anyways, this is fine. So what you want to do is you want to take your hair, and I might do more than an inch, so I don't need these clips. Sorry, that was really pointless. But if you're scared of taking too much hair, then clip it off. I like to see what I'm working with exactly. And it's really easy. What I do is you determine where you want your shortest piece to be. So face framing usually goes like shorter to longer. It kind of just helps frame your face. And I'm feeling more dramatic, so I'm gonna do about here. And literally all I do is slide, slowly kind of open and close your scissors just so lightly, and just slide down the hair shaft. Voila! Goodbye, dead hair. So you're already seeing how it's kind of like coming in and hugging the face. So then you just kind of like, I'm pulling some more hair and I kind of see where it ended, and then I just scissor down. Wow, sorry guys, this is a horrible angle. Until you get to the bottom. So as you can see, it's kind of just giving my hair a little bit more body and like oomph. Like, I like how this is kind of hugging my face in here. And then if you just want to check like the bottom, you just kind of go like this. And I see just a little disconnect. If you can kind of see, gosh, my hair is so bad. It goes shorter and then it's like longer here. So I'm just gonna go in and just point cut. It does not need to be perfect, you guys. That side looks pretty good. So I can see it better, kind of curl it. Just kind of, you can see where it started. I should move this camera back. Okay, so you see how it kind of just like is hugging my face here? Hugging my face, you know what I'm saying. And that's what I like to do. I like to straighten it and curl it so then you can really see it. But now we're gonna take this side. And you can either take this and match it, and you don't have to do the same length, but I'm going to just look at my mirror. So you just kind of start wiggling all the way down. And if you have long hair, then I would do it in two stripes. Two goes. So I see that I have short hairs here. I'm just gonna go in and connect it this way. I really like the deep, like point cut. I think it looks really nice. Oh my goodness, I say too much, I'm so sorry. When I edit, I try and edit those, and it's just crazy. So you see how it's, let's see if you can see a disconnect here. Yeah, see, this looks a little frail, so I'm literally just gonna go up here and hopefully I don't cut this dress I just got at Goodwill. And that's it. I'm all about doing it yourself, you guys. Alright, you guys, if you hate it, then don't do that. But if you like it, try it out. I mean, you can seriously start with so little and barely cut anything. So when you're doing it, just literally like this as you're going down, just you can go slow, don't matter. But if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. Oh gosh. Comment if you think I should do straight bangs. I've done it before, I'll insert a pic or two. Let me know. Don't forget to subscribe, you guys. Thanks again, have a good day.